In this video, we will cover how to adjust AutoSwath settings on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, select the correct operation, select the correct configuration, press the double-ended wrench, press the AutoSwath button. From this screen, we can adjust the outside boundary option, the coverage option, the turn on look ahead, and the turn off look ahead times. Depending on the operating configuration that you choose, you will also have the option to adjust the AutoSwath sensitivity. Once these values have been edited and changed, press the green check mark. We have now covered how to adjust AutoSwath settings on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.